अंग्रेजों ने हमसे बहुत कुछ लूटा, but the biggest thing they have looted from us was our thought process. पता ही नहीं चला कब हम वेस्टर्न कल्चर की तरफ इन्फ्लुएंस्ड हो गए और फिर कभी हम अपनी चीज़ों को अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं कर पाए. If I talk about designing, there are many such things we have which are like a set for us. One such thing is LOTA. LOTA, known as the pot for plenty. I remember my Dadaji used to drink overnight stored water from it. And religious context में तो इसके काफ़ी सारे usage prevalent है. The way it is designed, you can see a rhythm from the body to the neck and the rim. How it maintains the movement of liquid. You can see the precision of dhar and consistency in it. The kind of grip it creates because of its shape. You can drink water directly without any spillage. For the first time, it has been recognized as the most beautiful and iconic design by American designers Charles and Ray Elms. Further, it's been realized that the kind of brilliance we show in our design thinking, we deserve a formal design education, and that's how it became the brainchild of India's first design college, NID Ahmedabad. Can you believe this? A LOTA. A LOTA has changed our destiny, and we are still there, influenced.